Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And as you can see, currently we are in the standard photo mode, and unfortunately the timer is not here, so we have to unroll the top bar to show the options. And as you can see, the second bar is tightly connected with the timer. We've got 3 different options to choose from, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me set 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, it will be immediately highlighted, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, of course, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can always remove it, turn off the timer. Just open the options, tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.